Stop struggling with unwanted calls and texts. If you're tired of spam hitting your inbox, I'll show you how to block someone in Google Voice in just 5 minutes and take back your peace of mind. Welcome to For Real, I'm Anna. If you've ever felt that wave of frustration when your phone buzzes with yet another robocall or an unwanted message from someone, especially when you're trying to focus, you are definitely in the right place. Google Voice is a fantastic tool for managing a business line or just keeping your personal number private. But that benefit is lost if it's constantly being bombarded. It can feel invasive, but it doesn't have to be. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to block any number on both the Google Voice mobile app and the website. But we're going deeper than that. I'll also show you what actually happens on the other person's end when they're blocked, and most importantly, how to manage your master block list and even unblock someone if you need to. Let's get started and clean up your inbox for good. Step 1. Okay, let's start with the mobile app, since that's where most of us manage our calls. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Voice app and locate the number you want to block. You can find it in your calls list, messages, or even voicemail history. Step 2. Once you've found the conversation or call log from the person you want to block, tap on it to open it up. Step 3. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your options menu. Tap on it. Step 4. From the menu that pops up, you'll see a few options. The one we want is block number. It usually has a circle with a slash through it. Go ahead and tap that. Step 5. Google will ask you to confirm. It's letting you know you won't receive calls or messages from this number anymore. Tap block to finalize it. And that's it. You'll see a small confirmation at the bottom, and the number is now blocked from contacting you through Google Voice. Quick pause. If you're already feeling more in control of your inbox, please hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it massively helps other people find this guide. Thanks. Now let's see what happens next. So, what happens on their end? Will they know you blocked them? If they try to call your Google Voice number, they won't get your voicemail. Instead, they'll hear a generic message, something like, "This number is not in service." It's a dead end. If they try to text you, the message will appear to send on their device, but it will never be delivered to you. You won't get a notification, and it won't show up anywhere. It simply vanishes. Did you know the concept of call blocking isn't new? The first patent for a telephone call screening apparatus was filed way back in 1986, long before the digital age made it a simple tap on a screen. Now, let's switch over to the desktop. If you manage your Google Voice account from a computer, the process is just as easy. Go to voice.google.com and sign in. Just like the app, find the message or call from the number you want to block and click on it. With the conversation open, look for the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that conversation panel. Click it, and you'll get a drop-down menu very similar to the one on the app. Simply click Block Number and confirm your choice. Done. Okay, this is the pro tip. What if you block someone by mistake? Or you need to see your full list? You can't actually see your master block list in the Google Voice app. You have to use a special link. Open a web browser and go to myaccount.google.com/blocklist. I'll put that link in the description below. This page shows every single phone number you have blocked across all Google services, including Google Voice. It's your central hub for managing blocked contacts. If you want to unblock someone, it's incredibly simple. Just find their number in the list and click the X icon right next to it. The number will be removed from the list instantly, and they'll be able to call and text you again immediately. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to block someone in Google Voice on any device. No more dealing with annoying spam or unwanted contact. You can block directly from a conversation. You know that the blocked user gets a not in service message, and you know how to manage your master list at your Google account's block list page. You are back in complete control. If you found this tutorial useful and want more real-world tech tips to make your life easier, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other Google Voice feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.